Hello everyone, welcome to the SL Pharma YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about an important pharmaceutical quality control test called tablet friability. Tablets go through many processes such as manufacturing, packaging, transportation, and handling in pharmacies. During these processes, tablets may chip, crack, or break. To make sure tablets are strong enough, we perform a test called the friability test. So first, let's understand what tablet friability is. Tablet friability is the tendency of a tablet to crumble, chip, or break when subjected to mechanical stress. In simple words, it measures the mechanical strength of tablets against abrasion and shock. This test is usually performed using a machine called a friability tester, which simulates the stress tablets experience during handling. Now let's look at why friability testing is important. First, it helps ensure product quality. Tablets must maintain their shape and integrity until they reach the patient. Second, it ensures patient safety. If tablets break or lose powder, the patient may receive the wrong dose. Third, it helps evaluate the tablet's ability to withstand packaging and transportation. And finally, it is required for regulatory compliance, according to pharmacopeal standards such as USP and BP. In most cases, the acceptable limit for tablet friability is not more than 1% weight loss. Now let's see how the friability test is performed. First, we select a sample of tablets, usually 10 to 20 tablets depending on their weight. Next, we remove any dust and weigh the tablets together. This is recorded as the initial weight, or W1. Then the tablets are placed into the Friabilator drum. The drum rotates at 25 revolutions per minute for 4 minutes, which means the tablets undergo 100 rotations. During this process, the tablets repeatedly fall inside the drum, creating mechanical stress similar to real-life handling conditions. After the test is completed, the tablets are removed, dust is cleaned off, and they are weighed again. This weight is recorded as the final weight, or W2. Now we calculate the percentage friability using the formula. Friability percent equals W1 minus W2 over W1 times 100. Here, W1 is the initial weight and W2 is the final weight after the test. If the result is less than or equal to 1%, the tablets pass the friability test. Now let's talk about a few special scenarios. For example, effervescent tablets are usually fragile and moisture sensitive, so special care is required when testing them. Chewable tablets are softer by design, so they may show slightly higher friability compared to conventional tablets. For very large tablets, sometimes only 10 tablets are used instead of 20 during testing. Also, if any tablet cracks, breaks, or caps during the test, the batch may be considered a failure, even if the weight loss is below 1%. Finally, high friability can occur due to factors such as low binder concentration, insufficient compression force, poor granule size distribution, or low moisture content. Improving these parameters helps produce strong and durable tablets. So that's a quick overview of tablet friability testing, including its definition, importance, procedure, formula, and special situations. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the SL Pharma YouTube channel for more content on pharmaceutical science and quality control. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.